What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
I was playing around with my brother and I hit him with a Nerf gun, and so he reached for my phone and threw it at me and missed, and it hit like this metal thing that we have at my house.
Oh my gosh, man. So the screen doesn't work anymore?
Nah, it doesn't.
Touch screen doesn't work? Don't worry. I got you.
Alright.
Your phone is ready, sir. Now it's sliding and it's good to go.
Thank you so much. It's been like 3 years now.
Damn. You remember your code?
Yeah.
Put it.
Right there.
Make sure it's working. Oh, you already have your Face ID open.
Yeah.
Damn, that's a good one.
Now I could go play my games.
Yes, sir.